Well, hello, McAllen ISD community. This is Mr. Palomine, your elementary math coordinator. I'm going to be going over standard 3-4G 2 by 1 digit multiplication. So when we start multiplying things like 23 times 5, 21 times 7, that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of ways that we're going to teach your children, your third grader, how to multiply using a bunch of different things and strategies, for example, like strategy algorithms, all these different kind of properties and so on. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to model this with base 10 blocks, for example, in this one. We're going to do things like equal groups, area model, distributive property, the algorithm that we grew up learning, and so on. So let's go ahead and get to it. So we're going to multiply 23 times 5. So we're going to apply already here what's called the commutative property. So 23 times 5. We're going to rethink this one as 5 times 23. And you're going, so does it matter? We're going to get the same answer. Yes. You notice that either way, I get the same answer, 23 times 5 or 5 times 23. We know as adults, right, that we get the same answer. However, as our third graders is, we want them to think with a small number first in this case because of what multiplication really means. This is 5 groups, or 5 equal groups of 23. This means 23 groups of 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23 times. So it's easier working it this way because now I can use my base 10 blocks. So I want 5 equal groups of 23. So here we go, ready? This is 10, 20, and I think I got 6 here, so 23, right? So there's 23. Here's my second group of 23. This is to get it, 10, 23. And then over here, alrighty, another 23. That's my fourth group of 23. And then my fifth group of 23 is right here. And you don't have to be all, I think I can be kind of unorganized with it if you want. But there it is. I got my 5 equal groups of 23. 23, 5 times. Ta-da! Then all you do here is you put your 10s together and your 1s together. So I tell my students whenever I do this, is try to group your 1s and 10s, right? So I got 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay, but we're going to leave it like that for now. And over here, do I have enough to make 100? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so I know then I have 100 plus 10 and 5 is 15. But I can think of it as what? 10 plus 5. Now I have my answer in what's called expanded form. So the answer is 115. Now this is what we're going to the students to do. On regrouping, we usually go left to right. With base 10 blocks, it doesn't matter. I can regroup wherever I want. So traditionally speaking, we teach you, to go over here. So you're going to grab this 10 ones and you're going to replace it with a 10. So now I got my 5 ones, my 10, my 5 ones, my 10, and then I got 100 here, which is 10 tens. Right there. See that? It's equal. So I can get these guys out and make it to 100. And I have my answer. 100 plus 10 plus 5 ones. 115. Ta-da! And that's it. That's the hard it gets. So I love base 10 blocks. It's impossible to get an incorrect answer with manipulatives. They're awesome. Thank you so much. Hope this video was helpful.